Hi, my name is Chris Walker, and I'm a law professor here at The Ohio State University, Moritz College of Law. One of my favorite things about being a law professor here is that I get to direct our DC summer program. I love Washington, DC. Before joining the law faculty in 2012, I spent a half dozen years in DC working on the Justice Department's civil appellate staff, clerking for Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy, and then spending a few years at a litigation boutique in DC. The DC legal market is an amazing opportunity, and I'm so glad that this program allows our students to experience a summer in DC and get their foot in the door to work in DC after graduation. Each summer in our DC program, we place roughly 20 students in internships in DC. We've placed students at the White House, on the Hill, on various Senate and House committees, at the Justice Department, at a lot of other federal agencies, and in some prominent nonprofits. During the summer, our students get an amazing experience in a full-time internship, but we also have classes on professional responsibility, and they meet with dozens of lawyers in DC that use their law degree in so many different ways than they could ever imagine, as lobbyists, as staffers, as law clerks, as agency general counsels, as agency litigators at the Justice Department and elsewhere. My goal is that by the end of the summer, they see all the ways they can use their law degree to advance the public interest in DC, and quite frankly, a lot of this also translates to other legal markets. The students that enroll in our program make a substantial investment in their future. The tuition is not inexpensive, and living in DC is a lot more expensive than living in Columbus. So I encourage you today to donate whatever you can to make this program more affordable to the students that choose to enter this public service opportunity. This not only helps them this summer, but it'll also help them have more financial flexibility when they graduate to return to DC, to otherwise enter government or public service, and to make their imprint on the world. So thanks so much for donating, and thanks for forwarding this along to other alums, friends, and supporters of Ohio State to encourage them to donate. And I'll end by just saying, go Bucks.